another one in there. It was close.
I bet he kept deciding.
I hear him.
Trying, come on, come on.
He's still a little bit of ways.
That's pretty close, actually.
Is it?
We'll probably hit it before it takes 32.
Let's hope nobody runs the gates this time.
Why, did someone run the gate?
Almost.
Yeah.
They don't want to be stuck waiting for the train, but they'll take a chance, you know?
Yeah. Train coming, second one.
Was it past Pound Road or what?
Yeah.
Oh, it was? It was closer than Pound Road?
Yep. Yeah.
I've heard it.
At night, it's really cool. When there's not a lot of cars, you can do it. Because if you stand and stare, then people follow you in.
Yeah.
But it's cool, like at night, you can watch the lights come around the curve.
That is cool.
I think it's going to go put on a blinking yellow because they have to slow down.
Probably.
Here it comes.
It looks like it's like a forest down there.
Richmond, Michigan.
I'll be done.
Have you been by Pound Road?
My daughter lives on Arlington.
Yep.
Okay.
So
Let me try
it's right
Wade.
before Pound.
Show him the curve one day.
Uh-huh. He likes where the, when we go to Columbus Park.
Yeah.
Oh, the bridge?
The bridge, yeah.
The bridge that it's painted back there?
Yes.
Yeah.
I've heard it, yeah.
I hear it now.
Do ya? I hear traffic.
Huh?
Alrighty.
Yep. Cool. I see it. Yep. High five.
Cool. All right.
Yeah.
I hear it now.
Yep.
Yeah. 2. Good.
I'm going to try wave too.
If he can see you, it depends on if he can see you, babe.
I know. I usually wave out the window. And
Yeah.
here it comes.
Yeah, the crossing has to go off pretty quick.
Yep, it will. Are you filming?
Not yet. Oh, I'm gonna hit the button when it comes. Yeah.
Oh boy, traffic. I think it's coming slow.
Yeah.
You can film now. It's getting close. Got it?
Yeah.
Filming?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. There we go. Gates. There a car behind her? Oh well, that's fine. Train, second one.
Yep.
There he is. What's the number? 39 something?
Oh, he was waving.
Oh! I think he beeped.
Huh?
Sounded like he beeped. He waved? No?
Yes.
Oh wow!
Those are coils.
Yeah, they are.
These things are dangerous.
Not the first one though?
No, I didn't see. It didn't look like it.
He's moving slow too.
Yeah. He looks a lot heavier. Those coils. I was working in a plant one time.
Yeah.
One of those came undone and it cut somebody's head off.
Really?
Yeah.
Ow, what happened?
The steel came up. It went winding off and it.
From a train?
No, it was in the auto plant.
Ow.
Yeah.
That's not safe.
Whoops. Yeah. Those coils are really, really dangerous.
Yeah.
There's lumber.
Lumber. probably long and heavy.
Mm-hmm. It is, yeah. He's moving like he's heavy.
You stare at the springs by the wheels, you can tell if the car's loaded.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, the back springs.
Okay, yeah.
Cool. That's a big one.
Mm-hmm.
They're a box car.
Yep.
They're like a
Yeah, they are riding low, you know.
Holy crap. That's a long train.
He's going slow. Bet he pulls over.
I have a feeling there's going to be car haulers on this one. We'll see, right?
The other one had enough car haulers.
Construction, yep. Speeding up a little bit, but...
Mm-hmm. He's just a heavy train.
Wow. Yeah, he's speeding up. That's a really long train.
Mm-hmm.
Mixed freight, yep.
Mm-hmm. A lot of tankers, too.
Look at that one.
Yeah. Those are new looking. I've never seen them like that. Some of them are clean, so they're
More
new.
lumber. That's a big train.
Mm-hmm.
Southbound. There are lumber cars on there.
I bet it's coming from Canada because of the lumber on it.
Yeah.
Well, we do lumber up north,
It's quite
too.
quick, I think.
Yeah. Coming from the lumber mills.
Holy crap. That's a long train.
It is.
Oh, yeah. I don't think so.
Whoops, that had a bad word.
Wow. Holy crap.
It looks like quite a few of them are new, like that.
Yeah. They're close on. There's the end. Cool.
All right.
There it goes. Let's get the gates real quick. There we go. Oh, cute.
Yeah, you lucked out, dude.
Cool.
So, I hear over by, in Orion Township, Lake Orion,
Uh-huh.
they're reviving an abandoned railroad.
Are they
CNN.
really?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
It's extension off of the Holly, and I think it might be